So guys, we are starting. We have boiled water. We are going to put our noodles, boil them. We just put all together, and then we are going to add pepper because it's pepper. What is the challenge again? Spicy noodle challenge, yeah. Cool. Hi. Now we are going to add our spices. 1 down and 3 to go. Voila. Oh my god, I don't know if I can eat this. The last. Maybe you want to see it, you want to hide it somewhere so you don't add all.
No, I think these ones are different from the other. I'm able
So,
to eat this for
and
sure.
we are going to add a teaspoon. This is actually bigger than a teaspoon, guys.
Very hot chili.
Oh, very good. Okay, just add.
This is very hot, like it's the hottest chili.
Oh my god, we're going to die.
This is dried and grand. This is the hottest chili. Oh my god.
Ooh.
It's like 1 tablespoon.
That's why it's a challenge. Okay. Hi guys, our noodles are ready and we are going to start the challenge. Okay, so what are the rules?
So guys, tonight we are doing the spicy noodles challenge, and the rule of this challenge is no one is supposed to drink any of this juice or milk that you see here. If you're drinking it, it means you're giving up, and so the next person automatically becomes the winner, whether she finishes or not. The fact that you give up means you're losing, of course. And so this is the award for the winner.
I'm getting it. Stop starting. Put it there.
So I'll just put it here because I know she will obviously feel she really hates spicy.
Okay, let's see.
All right, guys, the challenge begins now. Oh.
Hey.
Oh my god. Ha! I told you the extra chili she asked us to add. My goodness, it's so spicy.
You cannot eat and talk at the same time.
I'm going to win, guys.
Winners don't talk much. Why are you taking it? You haven't won yet.
I'm going to win soon now.
You even gave me too much.
How come? She chose first and she selected the lesser one. Mine is more than hers even.
I knife the lips.
I need to make sure that I win this
I
challenge.
feel like giving up, but I'm not.
Please, don't kill yourself. Have some juice.
I'm seeing
Okay.
again.
What I'm trying to help her so that she can give up. But she does not want to. Oh my god.
Got you.
You know when it's hot, it's just from the fire, it's hot and then it's spicy again. So it makes it like it's burning.
How can you even talk,
Oh my
man?
god. I'm used to spicy sometimes, but this one is extra spicy. That's why I can manage, but for her. Meg, your own is very small. I really took much.
What is merde?
See.
Let's eat.
See,
You have started. When I finish, you start saying
This is
that I won.
bundle of chili. Hey, Mama, you cheated, oh Jesus. How come her own is very small?
Hey. Man, I cannot feel my tongue. I feel like drinking.
Please.
So that you can stop. Guys, I'm about to finish.
Guys, you can imagine, you know I've been eating more, but yet mine is more than her own is small. So,
Don't say that. It was equal.
the way my own has extra patches of chili.
Even you. My tongue, man.
See, only chili. This is unfair.
Have you given up?
We did not mix it well.
Do you want milk?
I think there's more chili on my own. We did not mix it well. Guys, can you see this?
You don't want milk?
I don't know how to show you, but you can really see that
My,
there is a deep mixture of chili here. Gosh, it did not mix. I
You're
don't
the
know
one
if
who
you can
mixed.
see. Look at this lady, she cheated me. She put more chili on my own. It's not fair now. How can I eat this? See, she cheated. She cheated on this video.
Claudine, if you have lost, admit that you have lost.
She cheated on
Drink
this
milk.
video.
Let us finish. Are you giving up? Guys, this is hot. Ish.
Guys,
Claudine is giving up.
Ayo. Why? Just because she cheated. I can feel it even on my eyes.
Are you okay? Do you want some water? Juice? Milk? Yogurt?
No, thank you. Whew. I'm sure I'm having runny nose now.
Claudine, you're supposed to eat. Please don't give up. Damn. Why are we killing ourselves? Just give up now. You give up?
My darling is calling. My love.
What did you love? You tell him that you are dead because of the drink now. Let us finish this game.
Let me talk to
Admit,
him.
no. We have to finish
He
this.
already hung up.
You will call him back. Don't worry.
Kalika.
Spicy?
Too much.
Eat now. I am.
Still not finished.
Hmm?
Still not finished.
I'm almost done.
She cheated me.
How come? See, everybody who loses, this is how you talk, guys. Everybody is about to lose. They'll be like, she cheated me. Who cheated?
You can see how much chili is on my own.
By the way, she's the one who divided. She's the one who served. So how did I cheat?
But this one has more chili on the...
Okay, so you have lost. Do you want to drink something?
I'm still eating.
In fact, I'm going to finish these noodles so that I'll just win. I don't even need to wait.
Ah, I cannot believe my eyes. Ah, why did I not check this one very well? Ah, that one is really going on.
It's better to eat it at the same time and finish so I die. Who says we don't eat spices? And every time she's telling me Cameroonians, spices, blah, 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 blah. So today, Team Rwanda, we are showing them. And see, we are winning.
This is my plastic.
By the way, I'm used to eating very fast.
Take out this thing from that. Give me that this thing.
Hey, guys, I've won.
What?
You added something.
I did not add anything. See, she has taken. Hey, she poured everything. She's the loser. I'm the winner.
I am the winner.
The winner has this one. I'm the winner.
Credit